After each debt ceiling suspension, the Treasury's pace in rebuilding its general account, TGA, at the Fed tells a lot about its fiscal strategy. It's not just political theater. After the 2011 and 2013 debt limit fiascos, the TGA balance surged quickly, meaning the Treasury moved aggressively to replenish its reserves. This rapid rebuilding suggests a stronger push to absorb liquidity from the system, likely to restore confidence and manage immediate fiscal pressures. In contrast, the TGA refill in 2019 and 2023 was much slower, which pointed to a more cautious approach. Following the suspension in June 2023, for instance, the TGA saw a swift jump of $227 billion, reaching $250 billion by mid-June, largely due to the influx of quarterly tax receipts, as the Treasury issued an unprecedented $1 trillion in T-bills over several months to rebuild its cash reserves. This was part of a broader strategy to restore the TGA to its historical norm of about $500 to $600 billion. By August 2023, the TGA climbed to $432 billion, draining liquidity and tightening market conditions as reserve balances surged, as evidenced by a $173 billion increase in reserve balances and a $70 billion decline in overnight reverse repo take-up during the same period. Despite this rapid refill, the overall pace was more measured than the aggressive post-2011 rebuild, likely reflecting a more careful response amid broader fiscal concerns. These slower replenishments likely kept liquidity conditions more relaxed, allowing the market to adjust gradually.